Hi everybody, my name is James. This channel is a DIY channel and I'm gonna put out a video once a week. If you are interested in my content, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Really appreciate it. This is a overseeding project that I want to do for a very long time. 2 years ago, I overseed my front yard with Kentucky 31. It has very light green color. It didn't quite blend in with neighbor's lawn. The seed that I'm using is called RTF water saver. I found that online. It appears that this kind of tall fescue can repair itself over time, so you don't need to constantly overseeding. The first step to do overseeding is to dethatch. I'm using a Ryobi ride-on mower with a toe behind dethatcher. Usually people put some kind of weight, but on this purpose I just want to lightly scratch the surface of my existing grass. I don't want to damage it. Now the lawn has so many thatch that I need to clean up. It's very time consuming and labor intensive, so I use a lawn sweeper to save my day. Look at how much thatch I got. This is the grass seed I talked about before. It's the RTF water saver. Guys, I'm gonna do an update on this project to see how well this RTF performed. So stick around. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Now I'm spreading this RTF with a spreader. The spreader has a setting. Every spreader is different, so make sure you check the instruction to make sure the setting is correct. I did some testing and find a setting that I like, and I spread vertically and horizontally. And I also find some bare spot that I need to address. I put some extra RTF on the spare spot. Then I use a rake to lightly rake the area to make sure the RTF is in contact with the soil. And I also check the soil. If the soil is too compact, I use a fork to poke some holes to make sure the soil is loosened up and ready for the seeds. And it's getting too late in the afternoon, and I was so tired, so exhausted that I have to stop. The next day I went to Home Depot and I bought some peat moss. This stuff is very good for seeding. It retains moisture and also add a little bit of fertilizer to the soil. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.